Before we jump in, I do earn a referral fee when you use the services and companies I demonstrate in the video, but there is no additional cost to you. I chose them because they're the best in the industry and you're safe with them. Have you ever thought about starting your own catering business? Well, you're not alone. The allure of home-based businesses is on the rise, offering the perfect blend of convenience, flexibility, and the freedom to let your culinary creativity run wild. Catering from home is a fantastic opportunity to turn your passion for food into a thriving venture. Before continuing the video, let's introduce you to Busy. Busy is a professional formation service company to file your LLC. It's an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. The full review of Busy is also given in the description box down below. Now, let's continue the video. So, are you ready to whip up some success? In the next few minutes, we will walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to start your own catering business. First and foremost, understanding the catering business is crucial. This industry is all about providing food service at a remote site or a site such as a hotel, public house, or other location. Sounds simple, right? But it's more than just cooking and serving food. It requires passion, dedication, and culinary skills. Challenges? There are many, from managing food costs and ensuring food safety to handling last-minute changes. But with every challenge comes an opportunity. Catering offers the freedom to be your own boss, to express your culinary creativity, and to bring joy to people through your food. The catering business is fast-paced and high-pressure, but also incredibly rewarding. From intimate home parties to large corporate events, you'll be serving a diverse range of clients with different tastes and expectations. So, are you ready to roll up your sleeves and dive into the world of catering? Now that you understand what a catering business entails, let's move on to the practical steps. Creating a comprehensive business plan is the next step. Now, you might be wondering, why is a business plan so crucial? Well, it's like a roadmap, guiding you through each phase of starting and managing your catering business. It's a vital tool for understanding how to structure, run, and grow your new venture. So, let's dive into the essential elements of your business plan. First up is defining your target market. Who are your ideal customers? Are they corporate clients, wedding planners, or perhaps private individuals hosting parties at home? Understanding your target market will not only help you tailor your services, but also guide you in setting up your marketing strategies. Next, let's talk about your pricing strategy. Pricing is more than just figuring out what customers are willing to pay. It's about understanding the value you're providing, factoring in your costs, and ensuring you're making a reasonable profit. Remember, your prices should reflect the quality of your food and service. Then comes advertising. How will you get the word out about your catering business? Maybe it's through social media, local print ads, or word of mouth. Advertising is all about reaching your target market, so think about where they're likely to see your message. Before you may start your service business, there are various legal formalities to take care of. While state-by-state regulations and criteria may vary, the following is a broad outline of the steps required to legally establish your firm. Business structure. When registering your business, you'll need to decide what type of business structure best suits your needs. You have 4 main options. Sole proprietorship. This is the simplest business structure, where the business and the owner are legally the same entity. The advantage of this structure is its ease of startup and lower cost. However, the owner is personally liable for all the business's debts. General partnership. If you're going into business with someone else, a general partnership is an option. Each partner shares the profits, losses, and responsibilities, so make sure you're on the same page with your business partner. Corporation. This is a more complex structure involving shareholders, directors, and officers. It's a separate entity from you, providing liability protection, but it's also more expensive to set up and has certain administrative requirements to follow. Limited Liability Company, LLC. This offers the liability protection advantages of a corporation while maintaining the operational simplicity closer to a sole proprietorship or partnership. Your choice of business structure will depend on your specific situation and goals. Many choose to form an LLC because it offers the best of both worlds, protection against personal liability and operational flexibility. Forming an LLC sounds complicated and expensive, but using an entity formation service guides you through the process so you know it was done right. Most popular service is Busy, renowned for its free service. For just $0 plus state fees, clients can enjoy preparing and filing the articles of organization with a complimentary registered agent service for the first year. This comprehensive package not only ensures top-notch privacy safeguards but also provides excellent value for money. With Busy, customers can rest assured that their easy, fast, and effective service, allowing them to focus on their business endeavors with confidence. Now, let's discuss growth plans. Where do you see your business in the next 5 or 10 years? Maybe you'd like to expand your services, or perhaps you're aiming to cater high-profile events. Having a clear vision of where you want your business to go will help you make strategic decisions along the way. And finally, your business plan should include a financial projection. This should outline your expected revenues, costs, and profitability for the first few years. It's crucial to be realistic and detailed here, as this will help you secure funding if needed and keep your business on track. With a solid business plan, you're ready for the next step, which is legalities. Before you start cooking, it's important to understand the legal side of the catering business. The law might seem like a complicated stew at first, but let's break it down into more manageable ingredients. Firstly, let's talk about licensing. To operate a catering business, you need to obtain a business license from your local government. This process may require you to pass a health department inspection and comply with food safety regulations. Next, let's talk about permits. Depending on where you plan to run your business, you may need additional permits. For instance, if you're operating from home, you might need a home occupation permit. Or, if you're planning to serve alcohol, you'd need a liquor license. Insurance is another crucial ingredient in our legal stew. Catering involves certain risks, such as foodborne illness or accidents during transportation. Liability insurance can protect you from potential lawsuits, and property insurance can cover damage to your equipment. Think of it as a safety net, ready to catch you if anything goes wrong. Now, let's discuss forming a limited liability company, or LLC. An LLC can provide you with liability protection, which means your personal assets are safe if your business goes under. It's like a shield, protecting your personal life from your business risks. Plus, an LLC can offer tax advantages. With an LLC, you can choose how you want to be taxed, either as a sole proprietorship, a partnership, or a corporation. It's like being able to choose your own flavor of taxation. So, there you have it. The legal side of starting a catering business might seem like a complex recipe, but when you break it down, it's all about licensing, permits, insurance, and considering an LLC. Each of these ingredients is crucial for a successful and legal catering business. Once you've covered all the legalities, you're ready to set up your workspace. Now, it's time to set up your workspace. Setting up a functional, health code compliant kitchen is vital for the success of your catering business. It's not just about having a place to cook, but ensuring that you're cooking in a clean, safe environment that meets regulatory standards. An inspection failure can lead to shutdowns, fines, or even legal action. So, it's essential to get it right. Start by thoroughly cleaning and sanitizing your kitchen. This includes every nook and cranny, from the oven to the fridge, countertops, and even the floor. The rule of thumb here is, if you wouldn't eat off it, don't cook on it. Next, let's talk about equipment. You'll need commercial-grade appliances that can handle large volumes of food. This includes refrigerators, ovens, stovetops, and perhaps a dishwasher. Don't forget your smaller tools either, like sharp knives, mixing bowls, baking sheets, and pots and pans of various sizes. Safety is another critical aspect of your workspace. Install fire extinguishers and smoke detectors, and ensure there's adequate ventilation to prevent heat and smoke buildup. You'll also want slip-resistant flooring and good lighting to prevent accidents. Remember, your workspace isn't just a kitchen. It's the heart of your business, the place where your culinary creations come to life. And just like any heart, it needs to be healthy and strong for the rest of the body to function. With your workspace ready, the next step is to create a standout menu. A standout menu is key to attracting and retaining clients. A memorable culinary experience begins with an enticing menu. Think of your menu as a culinary map, guiding your customers on a journey through the unique tastes and flavors your catering business has to offer. Marketing is crucial in the success of your catering business. In this digital age, the first strategy you should consider is social media marketing. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest are perfect for showcasing your culinary creations. Regularly post high-quality photos of your dishes, share behind-the-scenes stories, and engage with your followers. Remember, consistency is key in building a strong online presence. Next, never underestimate the power of word of mouth. Happy customers are your best ambassadors. Encourage them to share their experiences and recommend your services to their network. You could offer incentives like discounts or complimentary items for referrals, which not only rewards your loyal customers but also attracts new ones. Lastly, consider forming partnerships. Collaborate with event planners, photographers, or local businesses that complement your services. By forming a legal business entity, you can minimize your liability and take advantage of potential tax savings as well. Now, I'm going to show you how to start an LLC using Busy, and in the description down below you also find a review of their service. They are one of the best entity formation platforms in the market that charges $0 for their service. Now, let me just show you what types of services Busy provides to business owners. After arriving on their website, you will see the list of all the services they provide. Under the Start Your Business section, you will see 4 of their key services, which are form an LLC, C Corporation, S Corporation, and Nonprofit. As you can see, there are 3 different packages: Silver, Gold, and Platinum. And the first thing that's worth mentioning is that the state fee does not change. You can see it's $236 in all the packages. Some of the extra services that are included in this package are preparing and filing the articles of organization, unlimited name searches, free registered agent for 1 year, and unlimited phone and email support. Next, the Gold package, which costs $249. And this is the package I highly recommend, with filing EIN, which is a business tax number, Form 2553. It also comes with operating agreement, business bank account, lifetime company alerts, tax consultation, etc. In the next section, Busy is asking you to provide your LLC name and its designation. After that, they ask you whether you want to get a registered agent through them or not. Getting a registered agent is a legal requirement in order to file an LLC in any state. Busy is providing registered agent service free for 1 year. And after that, it's $119 per year. Busy is asking you whether you want to get an EIN or not. In the next section, Busy will ask you whether you will set up a small U.S. business bank with Bank of America. Then if you want to get a free tax strategy or consultation call with them. In the Busy dashboard, if you go to Legal and then Licenses and Permits, they can do this research for you and make sure that you have all the proper licenses and permits. After providing all the information, Busy will be the one handling all the documents and registering your LLC on your behalf, so you won't need to go through any of these hassles.